Get your butt over here. Let's wait for a couple people to check in.
Hey, Mama.
There's Mommy checking in.
I was right.
All right. We're
I
just
love you, Mama.
getting set up.
See you in a few hours.
All right. We're just going to wait a minute and see who can check in. Let me turn this light on.
Mama, I really miss you. Mama again. It's Mama again.
She said hello.
Hi, Mama. Hello, Mama.
You roll your sleeves up. Come on. Show everybody your apron.
There's a dinosaur on it, Mommy.
Come here.
And Michelle's watching.
And roll your sleeves up.
And Michelle. Mama again.
Oh, that was it, Michelle again.
Okay. All right. I think we're going to get started. What are we making?
Eggnog.
Eggnog from scratch. I want to show you the ingredients we're going to be using. Eggs, milk,
Say
nutmeg.
Say hello to Mr. Kalanya.
I'm just calling you.
That's the wrong container. I got to get some heavy cream, vanilla, salt, cinnamon, and sugar. And there's our bowls. Hey, Mr. C.
What?
Mr. C, I think, is in Pennsylvania
Mrs. C.
What?
visiting.
Oh.
There's the heavy cream instead of the milk because I already had the milk out.
I'm already mixing.
All right, let me get a little bit of iced tea because
I'm
I'm thirsty.
already. I'm still see. Can I have apple juice? Oh, big, big. I'm already mixing.
What are you mixing? You pretend mixing?
I'm mixing big eggs.
Carol Cantor's there.
Hey, Carol.
Hi, Carol.
All right, here's his.
You can't see that.
I know. You gotta tell me these things. The peanut gallery is directing. Here's apple juice for Max. Iced tea for Grandpa. All right, first. We're going to take these eggs, and Grandpa's going to have to do this. We're going to separate them because all we're going to be using is the yolk. So let Grandpa do this part, Maxwell, while you drink your juice. I'm going to separate the yolk. You know what? I should have done this over this bowl. Let me do that.
Where ladies watching.
Hey, Lorelei. There's one. We need 6 egg yolks.
Hi, Lily.
Lorelei. Oh. Grandpa's getting confused.
Hi.
Hold on.
You can't get any white in.
I know. Now I got it. That's 2. Hey, Uncle Stewie's watching.
And look at me. I was right.
Let us know about comments, honey, if anybody's saying anything.
Yes,
Okay, we're separating the yolk from the egg white. Who is?
Uncle Stewie and Libby.
Hey, Libby.
Hi, Libby girl.
How you doing with that apple juice?
I'm
One
done.
more to go.
I'm done.
All right. See, we're getting rid of the white part of the egg, Max, and we're just using the yolk.
What is the yolk?
That's the yellow part.
Oh, we've done that.
Oh, shoot. Ugh. Just drop some of that egg white. Okay. Now we're going to whisk the egg yolks and the sugar together.
There's only two.
Oh, I know. Here, you can do this part. Grandpa will add, we have a half a cup of granulated sugar. Get your whisk, use a small one. And you're going to mix them in. Good.
Uncle Stewie says go Eagles.
Bah, humbug. Come on, mix. Let me show you what this looks like. You see that, Bern?
What does it look like?
Uh-huh.
What does it look like? What does it look like?
Keep mixing. All right.
Looks like egg.
While Max does that, I am going to get a saucepan ready. And I'm going to combine cream, milk, nutmeg, and salt. Let me have some of this first.
Is that beer, Grandpa?
No, that's iced tea. No, no. And 1 cup of heavy whipping cream.
I want to have a whipping cream taste.
You want to have a whipping cream taste?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Wait a minute.
Is that new?
Yeah. Let me pour it out.
Ooh, that looks good. Can I have a taste of it now?
Here, take that spoon. Just take a little bit. It's a tiny bit. Here. Taste it.
Move the milk.
You like it?
Yes.
Okay, you like heavy whipping cream. So we're going to put that into the saucepan, turn the heat on. And I need 2 cups of milk, regular milk. We have this lactose-free milk that we use. Two cups of that. Keep mixing that egg yolks.
Does that need mix hot?
Yeah, keep mixing. All right, so we have our cream, heavy cream, and our milk combination heating up on the saucepan. We're also going to add the nutmeg and salt.
Are you done?
No, keep going. Now, we actually have fresh nutmeg.
Ah.
Let me show you what that looks like. Okay. Look like little balls. 2 little balls, right?
Mm-hmm. 4 little ballsies.
Okay, we're heating this up. I think.
I don't want to be done right now.
What? Oh, you done? You done mixing? All right, put your whisk down. We're gonna use this little tiny little thing here, and we're gonna let Grandpa try it first. Hold on.
On the smallest one.
All right, here. Be careful. I don't want you to cut your finger.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead. I'll hold it, and you push it up and down.
Say hello to Karen Rossetti.
Hi.
Who?
Karen Rossetti.
Hey, Karen.
Hi, Karen Rossetti.
We're grinding up a ball of nutmeg. What are these things called? Do you know?
I don't know, actually.
I think it's
I know, actually, Uncle
a
Stuart.
pod.
Anybody know what a? Oh, maybe it is a seed, nutmeg seed.
Yeah.
What did Laura say? What was her comment? Laura lady. What? No, there's another comment. I'm seeing it here.
Andrea Reicher's watching.
Max up.
No,
Bye.
she said if you're just tuning in.
Oh, Andrea's watching. That's my niece.
Hi, niece.
That's Aunt Amy's daughter.
Hi, Aunt Amy's daughter.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, I want to hold
All right,
it
let me
down.
do some more now because we got to put it in there. All right.
I'm just sure it's actually a magnet, whatever that means.
All
You
right.
do it now.
Let me do a little bit more.
I'm going to do it real fast.
You need a half a teaspoon.
I'm going to keep mixing.
I think I got it. Can you guys see
Better to
that?
go under than over.
See that?
Yeah, guys, I know that, but...
Let me get a little teaspoon here and make sure we got
Hey,
the right.
but
Watch out.
I good.
Make sure I got the right amount.
I want to do my own... Well, I forgot. Do I have to do my knives? We need...
Yeah, it's about a half a teaspoon. We're going to put that into the
Do
milk
I need
and the cream.
knives in this thing?
I don't know if we do or not.
I want knives.
Is your knife in there?
Yes, it's
Here,
nice.
take it out.
And pick.
All right, and into the saucepan goes a pinch of salt.
That's a big one.
Use maybe a little. I mean, use maybe a dash.
Heather said, as per Google, it's a seed. And if you're using fresh, you use a little less.
Okay. Ah, it's a seed. Okay. All right. So we've got our nutmeg seed ground. Let me show you what's happening on the stove here. There's our mixture. Okay, heating up.
What are you going to do now?
All right, now, what are we going to do now? Let's see what it says. Stir until the mixture reaches a simmer. So I'm
Simmer.
stirring this mixture.
What does simmer mean?
Simmer means it just starts to bubble. Like it's kind of not quite boiling, but just starting. Okay, so we're doing that. So we're going to wait a minute for that to start to simmer. Then we're going to add the milk, cream, nutmeg, salt mixture into the egg yolks.
Oopsie. Simply will clean up.
We're making eggnog in case people are just tuning in
Yeah.
And please,
from scratch.
Mama, please
What?
give Hamilton.
Let's see. What do we have to cut? You want a piece of red pepper?
Everyone is concerned about the knife in Max's.
This knife?
Yes, you need to tell him.
Show them the knife.
Okay, wait a second.
Show them. All right. It's plastic, everybody. So we've tested it already. It's child tested. Still wait here. Let me get you something you can cut.
There's little tomatoes
Yeah, with the tomatoes.
or an apple.
No, the apple's too hard.
What grapes? Grape seeds.
I got something for you.
Why is that not an apple? No, I want the pepper.
What?
I want the pepper.
You want a red pepper? You like
Thanks
red
for
pepper.
sneezing.
you can use this to cut. Show everybody. Hold on, move over so they could see you.
Wait, which goes in the way.
Still waiting for the milk to simmer. Let me turn the heat up.
Are you supervising the knife activity?
No. Do it on here. Do it on the cooking board. There you go.
I cutted it. I cutted it, guys.
Now you can eat the pepper. All right. Okay. Come on, let's go. When you're waiting for something to heat up, you know it takes forever. Starting to steam a little bit. So, you have one more day of school before what? What happens? Vacation?
No, pajama day.
Tomorrow, pajama day?
Yes.
Ooh, that's fun.
Sometimes I do this. Like this. So,
That's better. Yeah,
So-
cut that little piece.
so
Here,
it's
hold your
easier.
hand like this. Look, like that, and then you cut it.
I like
Stuart
it.
likes your apron.
Thank you, Uncle Stuart.
Okay, come on. Use this part of the knife to cut.
What PJs do you want to wear, Max?
I don't know.
This is getting a little thicker. Our milk and cream and nutmeg and salt, but it's still not simmering yet.
Mr. Klein says that knife is duller than your presentation.
Always a critic. Always a critic. Let's see him get his butt on here and do something. Come on, Mr. C. He was nitpicking because when I sent out my weather alert today, he says something. I used the word law instead of low. John, he says you need a copyright editor. I said I don't get paid enough to have a copyright editor. All in good fun. What? What? Yeah, I'll wake you up at 6 when I sent it out. You can check it for me. Let's show everybody what we're looking at. We're waiting for. There. There's our combination. Start up. I think little bubbles. That's my grandson cut his pepper. Here, move over a little bit. There.
I cut it.
Now we can eat it.
Mhm.
Okay, now Grandpa's
I'm
gonna.
eating it again.
Now here's what we're gonna do. Okay, we're gonna take the hot liquid and add it like a spoon at a time into the eggs, but very slowly. And
So it doesn't curdle.
while I'm doing that, you're gonna be mixing like this. Okay? Can you do that? Yeah, that's your job.
Cut Julio.
Yeah. It's almost starting to simmer. We're just waiting. This iced tea I made, it's peach, raspberry, blueberry, and 1 Earl Grey. It's good. Just the right amount of sugar.
Can you put a blueberry at the bottom?
No, not this time. Maybe in the summer we'll do that when we have fresh blueberries. All right, Maxwell, I think.
Jenny Bacone is watching.
Hey!
Hi.
Hi, Jamie. Say hi.
Hi, Jamie.
We're making eggnog. We're just waiting for our milk and whipping cream combination to simmer. All right, now let's take this. I'm going to put this right over here. All right, here we go. Start mixing. We don't want it to cook the egg.
Because of this COVID stuff, you haven't been able to have your live studio
Mix
audience.
quickly, Max. Mix. Atta
Whisk,
boy.
whisk, whisk.
Keep going hard. Good job, baby. That's it. Just like that.
I keep doing it.
Yeah, you're doing a great job. You have a lot of liquid to put in there. This is going to take a little bit of time.
It's not curdling, is it?
No, he's doing good.
Doing real good though.
Hold on. Let me get this in. Okay, mix.
Cut it.
Took it off the heat.
Doesn't kick
Mix,
Mom.
mix quickly. We don't want that egg to curdle. Let me do this so everybody can see what we're doing here. Let me move you over a little bit because this is very hot. Here, come on. Let me slide over.
What does cool mean? What's cool mean?
Here's our pot. Okay, mix. What is that? Curling means? Curdle. It means it'll make the egg become hard, like a scrambled egg. Keep mixing hard, quicker. I think this is like the secret part of it where you got to do this right. Keep mixing, man. Good job, Maxwell. You got to mix until we get all this milk in. I know.
This will take forever.
I mean, I could probably, because that liquid, that egg mixture now has probably gotten warm enough where I could pour it in a little faster. Let me try that. Okay, watch your fingers. I'm going to pour this in. Here, from this side. Here, mix. You got to mix. Here, mix hard while I pour. Watch it. Don't let your fingers get it. Keep mixing.
I think you should whip it. Whip it good.
Yep. Diva, we're whipping it good. Use this big one.
Jenny wants to make pizza next time.
Oh, did he miss that episode? Come on, whip.
Only the mix.
Don't touch that. It's very hot. Keep mixing hard.
Only this can touch
Mix,
that.
mix. Yep. Yeah, that's a good job. Keep mixing. See, the egg didn't turn hard like a scrambled egg, which means it's doing it right. Got a little bit more milk and cream and nutmeg to go. Max is getting a good exercise here with his left hand, which we believe he's a southpaw. There you go. Keep mixing. All right. Okay, now.
That's awesome.
That was awesome, wasn't it? All right, now we're going to pour the mixture back into the saucepan and mix it until it thickens. So let me take this. Don't go away. Grandpa will do this part.
You want it?
me see, where are we? Hey, Jerry.
Hi, Daddy.
We got Florida checking in.
I don't see that.
We're making eggnog, Jerry. I don't know if you like it or not. It's like a thing. People either like it or hate it. I like it. Max, you like eggnog?
No.
You know? You might like this kind, though. We'll have to try it, but we're gonna have to stick it in the fridge. Get up so people could see you. One spills a hump and egg, pour the milk back. Whisk for a few minutes until the mixture is slightly thickened or it reaches 160 degrees. We don't have a thermometer, so just gonna let it thicken a little bit. So that people see what it looks like. Hey, everybody look. Still a little thin. It's got to thicken somewhat.
Where are you going?
Hey, yo, come on, get back here. Come here. Star of the show has left the premises.
He likes the seat better.
Bring it back here.
Hey, Mickey.
Oh, it's starting to thicken a little. Come here. Get your butt over here. We have to add another ingredient. Maxwell, come here.
No.
Oh, we're not going to watch. Okay. You know. We're not going to watch YouTube. Get back up there so people could see you.
What are you gonna watch, Max?
Look at me, Grandpa.
You hiding? Mm-hmm. This thing reaches 160 degrees. It'll thicken more as it cools.
Mickey. Mickey's watching you.
All right, I think we're gonna. I can't really tell, and I don't. Like I said, I don't have a thermometer. I'm a meteorologist without a thermometer.
Put your finger in it.
I don't. Yeah, I'm looking at 160. Okay. I think I'm going to remove it from the heat. Turn the heat off, and we're going to add some vanilla extract. How much of that do we need? 1/4 teaspoon.
You should let him have it. Oh, you did it.
I did that. All right, we're almost done. Now we're going to pour this into a pitcher, and you're all going to get to see what it looks like. My favorite part. Hey, watch out. This is very hot. Okay, here we go. All right.
Ooh.
I done?
Did you pour the milk in?
Okay, there it is.
Are we done?
Pour the eggnog into a pitcher, cover with a little plastic wrap.
Are we done yet?
We are almost done. We're going to have to cool it. Unfortunately, we won't be able to taste it right now.
Watermelon's there.
I know, there's a watermelon.
You gotta buy a watermelon. I want to eat it one again.
It's hard to get watermelon this time of year. I guess you could.
What happens right here?
Oh, no, don't put your hole in it. Keep it. Now we're going to put this in there refrigerate,
And then we can.
and then we can try it before you go home.
Yes. And this now we can watch TV.
All right, everybody.
I'm
thank you all. Have a Merry Christmas. Have a Happy New Year. Happy Hanukkah if you celebrated that. And Max and I will be back, when? Next year, probably, right?
Yeah.
In 2022. Hey, Marty. We're done.
Send in your recipes.
Hey, Morty.
Yes. The Peanut Gallery said, if you have a request for us to make something, just comment on the Facebook page and we'll consider that. Jamie had suggested pizza. We did try pizza. We did pizza rolls once, so the pizza rolls were really good. The pizza was So we are definitely willing to try different stuff, right, Maxwell?
Yeah, this time I just want macaroni and cheese.
Yeah? Maybe we'll do that next time. All right? Okay, bye.
I want to put the button.
You hit the button. Hit the finish button right there.
Wait, but I can reach the button, so just put it right here.